The donut family. Donut enter. Oo. Happy kayo donut. Saturday, donut breakfast. Go ka dali, dali. Dali. Run ka dali, run. Run. Dali na, run ka dali. Run. There is a small local donut store. Thank you very much.
I'm Tammy.
See, I'm telling you.
Okay, I just didn't know if you remember.
I thought that was you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Donuts, yummy.
Yeah. You see that? You see, take note next time you see me because we're going to say dinner.
Let's donut, huh?
Hi. And the
Let's put this
Billy.
presents on.
Yummy.
And then we'll be all over
Let me get
Here, Claw. Then you can sit here. Wow, donuts. Dari happy din isa eh. Huh? Naka-pajama pa o, all in pajama.
Bear Claw have a lot of
Nutella. Ano siya? Matias favorite is Bear Claw with Nutella.
with
My favorite is the one with
chocolate.
glaze. How about Ezekiel? Which is his favorite? Dapat sila sa favorite.
I think we'll just get one.
Yay! Oh, Matias! They give them donuts.
Strawberry? Want to try?
Strawberry.
cardigan.
Eating na donuts. Wala pa rin pera.
I'll get a cherry turnover right here.
Happy na. Tapos na pa.
Go Chiefs, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Go,
Good
Chiefs.
game. I love the 49ers, dude.
Okay, very happy na oh. Naka-isa ka sa dosina nga donut. Oy! Up! Pajama pa ba? Daw na daw ko. I don't know what daddy's doing. Cool! If his daddy will get the kids. Donut enter. Meron na mountains of donut.
Yeah, we're getting donuts.
Donuts day.
Or we'll just eat nothing but donuts today.
Hoy! Eh, alat.
Lego, Dad. It's
Bugay pa. Ah.
Lego.
Ay. Mag-madman og who's the one?
Here.
Mag-mad pa na isa. Dali na, mag-eat na. Eat na.
Mattia, stop messing with each other. Just eat your donuts.
Yep. Alat pa ni sila og fighting ba before we eat donut. Go, you guys drink your milk.
You win. You have a meat here.
Yay! Go drink your milk, oy! You guys drink your milk? Garo-garo.
I should.
Ay. The yummy combination, donut and milk. Yeah? Hala, dancing po. Si dancing boy daw na siya ay. Matthias is biting on the side of his teeth because the teeth is losing. It's very weird to bite the other side. Ezekiel, oh, have a KC Chips donut. Go Chips, go for the Super Bowl. Beautiful day. Nag-walking me. There is a park. Park. Not very far from our house, guys. Kung tulog ka boys, oh. Tanaw na sila sa gis. Ito na sa gis. Kuha ni mother. All covers. Hi, gis. Is kaning park mo ni ang park last time nga nag-frozen. Frozen. Hoy! Let's go walk around. We play in the playground. Mag-walking po daw ang gis. Boopsie. Ano ang gis. Bring water. Wala dira lagi pa andar ang katong mag-kuan. Mag-fountain. Fountain. Wala pa ikuan. No leaves pa ang mga trees. Put ng hoodie naman ang kay the wind. When there's a wind, it's cold. Put po nila. Here na ta. Closer sa ilang play area. Randa yun, oh. Run, Ezekiel, run! Run, Ezekiel, run! Running siya, eh. Ay makapigil. Kat-kat na yun. Climb din si Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Good job. You're not scared of heights? Climb, be careful. Wait sa Matias. Maybe not both of you could go. Make sure. Grabe ni mga bata na eh. Good job. Woohoo! Nang daddy, oh. It's sunny guys, but it's cold. Matulog pa rin yung sipon. Yeah, daddy?
Yeah.
Hi, look at here. Na, natiniil na po ni si Boy Dapig. Oh, wow! Uy! Crazy! Crazy! Wow! Go, Spidey! You're Spidey! Climbing! Careful! Good job! Woohoo! Where are you? Hi, where are you guys? Woohoo! That's okay, wait. Grabe ka na siya ka-climber ay. Make sure you hold on, okay? Hey! Wow! Wow! What? Uy, good. Be careful, anak. Careful, careful. Good job. Matias here. Uy! Uy! Spider-Man ba? Climbing under, oh? Oh? Oh! Yung mahagbong sila, di ba nagahi, oh. So, yes. Is climbing. Matias, one at a time, be. Wait sa, cause daddy's watching Ezekiel. I can't hold you when you're very on the top. Mommy's shoulder is messed up. Good job, Ezekiel. That's it. Don't move. Hey, Ezekiel, look. Nag-uwi-uwi na you choose that. Mommy's here if you fall.
There. Stand up.
Hey, jump. Be careful, be careful.
Scoot to me.
Woohoo! Jump ka daddy, jump, dali.
Scoot.
Matias, Matias. Matias, be careful.
It's okay. I got you.
It's not your turn, okay? You wait for your brother is done.
You okay?
Here, Matias, look.
Were you brave climbing up?
Yay!
You want to jump?
Matias' turn. Jump, not
Right
jump.
here. Stand up. Jump.
1, 2, 3.
When I say throw it, throw it. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Jump. Oh, good. Good job. Closer. Then jump. Daddy will catch you.
Right there's a good jump spot. Jump. All right, big. 2,
3. Jump. Yay. Good job. Good catch, Daddy. Chuchu daw. Sa train na po sila sa train. Over there. Kung kanilang park. Nagsiso, mini Matias, oh. Hear me. Siso. Hi, siso.
You look really fun. I need another.
Daddy is there. Na si Ezekiel once in the
I
Jose.
will catch her.
Yay!
Can you touch it?
Good job. Oh!
You want me to crash it?
Woohoo! Good job, Ezekiel. Let's get him
wanna
the
play
first
on the
one in
slide.
that hoop.
You did a good job climbing.
What you got?
Hi, Cole.
Thank you. Wait.
Eat them.
Yeah, we don't eat them.
No, those aren't food.
You need to.
We will hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to them.
Floor is lava. Mommy is just sitting here. Be careful, Matias, ha? Wala na. Nadangtangin sa lava. Into the lava. Go, go, go. Give Ezekiel, Ezekiel. Oy! Oh, the night. Oh. 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 Wait. Turn into a frog. Frog. Where's Ribbit? Ribbit. 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 Hoy. Hoy. Let's go, Daddy. Yeah, monkey. Hoy. Fighting. Sword fighting na sila di. Wood sword fighting. What? Okay. Uniwan lang ka, mami. Hello? You crazy me, wait. Huja. Huja. Oi. Oi. Wow. 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 What na? Be, you don't know daw, be? No, oi. Try, Matias. Good job. Yup. You do it. Make him try that, love. Luto na nga itong pork. Sahog. On the other side. Wala na, isago na bitalig hapon sa. Muna itong shrimp. Sahog na ito. Subak. Subak. Babad na sa sauce. Tangan ako oyster sauce, chili sauce. Tangan ko na ako hoisin sauce. Okay. Sago lang hapon na ito rin ito. Okay, one luwag. Waiting muna tayo. Para maluto ko gamay ng gulay. Nato overcook na vegetable. Makitaan. Puli ang lapat. Masagol na ang shred din. Ang vegetable, broccoli, baby corn, snow peas, pork. Ba't na ako pork? Natin daghan spring onion. Very colorful kaya atong dish tonight. Colorful. Color. Let's see what daddy will say. Makapasar ba? I'm trying to guys ba? Like in the Mongolian, the one we always go to. Hopefully it is good. At this one, we make in Philippines, it's Pansit Canton. Na over lang yun ang daghan sa gulani. Gulay, seafood, shrimp, baby corn. Ang paborito ni Ezekiel. Ezekiel's favorite, baby corn. So let's see. Done na guys. Dinner is ready. Daddy, you're the one who tastes. Taste Daddy.
I suppose that is. Last night I came out with a bottle of ketchup. I knew it mustard.
The taste.
There's usually a maze in my dreams. I suppose that is.
It's fine. At least edible. We could eat. Yep. There's a lot ba? Shrimp and then pork. So dinner is ready. Kapasar daw, kapasar. I pass the exam of new experiment. You need a bowl. Put your bowl. It's like daddy na is eating in the pan. Ay, naku. Kain na na. No. Siyempre, di mawala ang rice. Itong pork. Itong orange bingo. Kain.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.